Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Perp. Ayan. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay Binance Labs might be offloading Perp, price reacts. Kaya yan. Sabi po rito ay mukhang si Binance daw ay kanilang ibibenta yung kanilang hawak na Perp token. At dahil dito, yan, dahil sa kanilang posibleng pagbebenta sa kanilang hawak na Perp token ay nagkaroon po ng presyo ni Perp ng reaction. Kaya ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, ang sabi po rito ay Binance Labs. The venture capital arm of Binance Exchange might be offloading Perp, the native token of the Perpetual Protocol. Kaya yan po, si Binance Lab. Siya po ang venture capital arm ng Binance Exchange platform. At sabi rito ay mukhang sila raw po ay magbebenta ng kanilang Perp token. Ito po ay ang native token ng Perpetual Protocol. Data from the crypto analytics provider Spot On Chain reveals that Binance Labs deposited a total of 750,000 Perp worth approximately $784,000 hours before writing. The tokens were sent to Binance at an average price of $1.05. Kaya yan po, ayon po kay Spot On Chain. Yan, isa na rin po siyang crypto analytic provider. Yan, data analytic provider po siya. At siya po yung nag-reveal dito or naglabas ng pahayag na ang Binance Labs ay nag-deposit ng umaabot po ng 750,000 na Perp token. At ang katumbas po niyan sa US dollar ay $784,000. Kaya yan po yung kanyang halaga na nung nailabas po ang balita na ito. Kaya yan, yung nangyari rito ay yung 750,000 na Perp token ay nasend po ito kay Binance sa average price na $1.05. Based on its mandate, Binance Labs was one of the major backers of the Perpetual Protocols when it emerged in 2020. But the venture capital firm has not been active in the protocol for about 2 years. This makes the deposit suspicious with a possible sell-off connotation. Kaya yan, si Binance Lab po kasi ay isa po siya sa mga major backers ng Perpetual Protocols. Ayan, isa po siya sa nagbibigay ng malaking suporta dito. At nag-umpisa pa yan nung lumabas itong si Perpetual Protocols or na-launch po siya nitong nakalipas na taong 2020. Ayan, ngunit ang venture capital firm na ito ay ayan nga, hindi raw siya aktibo. Ayan, yung kanyang hindi daw po siya aktibo ng 2 taon. Kaya ayan, parang walang nakitang developments. Ayan, walang parang naging pagbabago. Kaya mukhang yung deposit na ito, ayan, ng Binance Lab ay mukhang pinagsususpetsahan na mukhang magbebenta na ito. Binance Labs Perp Data Insight. According to the Spot On Chain data, Binance Labs got an investor allocation worth 6.25 million Perp and at an average price of $6.56, amounting to $40.98 million. This allocation was sent to Binance Labs from the project's wallet on March 16, 2021. Ayan po yung actual na tweet rito ng Spot On Chain. Binance Labs deposited 750k Perp to Binance at $1.05 50 minutes ago. Notably, Binance Lab was an investor in Perpetual Protocol and had been inactive with Perp for 2 years. Kaya yan. Binance proceeds for the potential sale remain uncertain as the seed price was not disclosed at the time. Since it got its allocation, Binance Labs has made 2 distinct deposits to Binance. Beside this current 750,000 perp deposit, it made a transfer of 3.25 million perp to Binance at an average price of $5.71 million, pegging the total at $18.55 million on March 23, 2021. Kaya yan, meron po palang mas nauna na transfer ng Binance Lab dito kay Binance. At ito po ay yan, nasa 3.25 million perp token po yan. At nilipat po niya yan nung halagaan po nito ay nasa ayan, yung average price daw po niya ay nasa $5.71 million. Yan, bakit million dito? 5.71 lamang yan. Kaya ayan, yung kanyang total ay nasa $18.55 million noong March 23, 2021. With all these deposits to Binance, the VC still holds a total of 3 million perp token worth $3.14 million. Perp price reacts. Yan, napa-react po yung presyo ng perp token dito. Kasi yung pag talagang magbebenta or magsi-sell off talaga ang Binance Lab sa kanilang malaking hold na perp token, ay magkakaroon po ito ng impact. At yung impact na inaasahan po rito ay syempre bearish or babagsak siya. Kasi malaking supply po ang ibabagsak dito sa market. Complementing the bearish outlook in the market at this time, the deposit might be dampening perp price sentiment. The token's price and market capitalization are down by 0.19% to $1.05 and 69.2 million, while its trading volume has slumped by more than 13% to $4.4 million. Kaya yan po yung kalagayan ngayon ni perp. Yan, ni perp token. Yung kanyang market cap ay bumagsak po ng 0.19%. At yung kanyang kasalukuyang presyo ay naglalaro po sa $1.05. This trend is not uncommon as many crypto companies like Ripple are known to transfer coins to exchanges in major sell-off moves. These actions generally spark a sell-off in such tokens, but such volatility tends to wear off over time. Kaya yan. Ganito na rin daw po yung ginagawa ng Ripple. Basta kung pag sila ay sasagawa ng malaking transfer sa mga kilalang mga crypto exchanges, ay ibig pong sabihin ay magbebenta po sila. Kaya ganito na rin yung parang nakikita nila rito na mukhang gagawin ni Binance Labs yan sa kanyang perp tokens na holdings. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pag-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pag-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood, ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.